Welcome to a walkthrough of Amwin version 11. I'll be guiding you through the program as quickly as possible, so you can see how Amwin could enhance your business. You can download this demo dataset from our website to follow along. As it is just a sample dataset, there will be some screens without any data. These are opportunities for you to imagine your own business's information in action and how Amwin could work for your specific needs. If you would like a more detailed demonstration, please contact us and one of our support staff will be able to guide you through a more personalized demo, answer any specific questions, and show you features that are most relevant to your business. Please visit our website and fill out our contact form to get started. Now I'll leave you to see what Amwin version 11 can do for your business.